In the modern times in the galaxy, there are countless of worlds that has access to starships which is equipped with hyperdrives. In fact, before the developing of the technology that would lead to hyperdrive, in the pre-Republic era, traveling between planets were could have been more difficult since before development of hyperdrive. But to achieve hyperspace travel in a pre-Republic era was almost impossible because only a few species in the galaxy at that time had means to develop that. Especially during this earliest of space travel in the galaxy in the pre-Republic era. Traveling from one planet to another could take decades or centuries in most cases. So when humans from Coruscant started to colonize other worlds in the core worlds, they used sleeper ships. It's the one type of ship that they put the crew and the passengers in sleep in order to travel from their planet to another one. Because since the time could spend decades or even centuries before reaching the next planet in their travel. But that will eventually soon develop into more faster ships in all of that. Before hyperdrive technology was developed, there was another early version of a device known as hyperspace cannon, which allowed ships to achieve hyperspace travel. This hyperspace cannon were used by some of the earlier core worlds colonists in order to send their ships into hyperspace. After many centuries, a network of hyperspace cannons were developed. Soon it started connected all colonized worlds within the core worlds with the Duros civilization. But eventually, with the development of hyperdrive, the hyperspace cannon became no longer being used. And since eventually over time, many of the worlds start gain access to hyperdrive. So the hyperspace cannon was forgotten technology that no longer being used. And this is all we know of hyperspace cannon in Star Wars Legends.